Crispy garlic zucchini with golden coating. This easy recipe is a must-try. Welcome to Simply Food Recipes. We are making fried zucchini slices in garlic butter. Let's start. First, wash the zucchini and slice it diagonally. Cutting in this way makes the slices bigger and gives you more surface for that crispy butter. Place the zucchini slices on a paper towel and let them dry for a little bit. Zucchini has lots of water, so this helps the butter sticks better. Let's make our garlic butter. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add salt, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, then add the breadcrumbs, minced or grated garlic, and mix everything together until well combined. After that, add the flour and mix again until you get a thick batter that coats the zucchini nicely but is still easy to work with. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. You want the oil hot enough to fry the zucchini, but not too hot because we don't want the garlic to burn. Dip each zucchini slice into the butter, making sure it's coated on both sides, and place it straight into the hot oil. Fry the zucchini until golden and crispy on both sides. The garlic smell while these are cooking is amazing. We are watching the beautiful crispy zucchini finish frying on the bottom side while the top is already golden and ready. And here it is on the plate, crispy fried zucchini served with homemade fries, fresh tomato salad, cucumber and simple dip on the side. But honestly, you can serve this with whatever you like, even just boiled potatoes or a quick dip you already have at home. And that's it for today's recipe. For more easy homemade ideas, follow Simply Food Recipes at simplyfoodtk.